Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice indices problem. The question is 1 upon 256 the whole raised to x is equals to x, and we need to find the value of x. Okay, so now in order to understand this, see, remember there's a rule of indices which says a upon b. If everything is raised to an index which is m, then in that case I can split the index. It will become a raised to m upon b raised to m. So using the same logic, I'll write this as nothing but what 1 raised to x upon 256 raised to x equals to x. Now I know that 1 raised to any number will always be what 1. Okay, so using the same logic, I'll write this as nothing but what 1 upon 256 raised to x equals to x. So now let's shift the variables on one side. I'll say 1 equals to x into 256 raised to x. Now let's try and shift this x on this side because there is no other way for us to solve this further. So let's try to simplify this, okay? And we'll get 1 upon x equals to 256 raised to x. Now still we are not able to understand how to solve this. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll try to shift all the variables on one side. Means we'll take the xth root on both sides. Okay, so basically here also I'll multiply the index by 1 upon x, and here on your LHS also the index will be raised to 1 upon x. So now this, your LHS looks like 1 upon x the whole raised to 1 upon x, and this is nothing but what 256. Now please understand, whenever you get a question, okay, which is of the form a raised to a, so you need to make your RHS look like the base is raised to the same index. From here I can deduce that a equals to b. So now see, 256 we know that is nothing but what 16 square, and we also know that 16 is nothing but what 4 square the whole square, right? Because 16 square can be written as 16 is written as 4 square, and then the whole square, this square gets carried forward. Now here this will now obviously look like what 4 raised to 4. Why like that? Because in indices when you have a raised to m the whole raised to n, it can be written as a raised to m into n. Okay, and in your LHS I still have 1 upon x the whole raised to 1 upon x. So now using this particular rule, because now see the bases are same on both sides, base and indexes are same on both sides of the equal to, so I can say 1 upon x equals to 4. Therefore value of x is nothing but just 1 upon 4. Okay, I hope you've understood how to solve these kind of questions. Those of you who have doubt, you can directly put this in your LHS and check whether you're getting the answer as 1 upon 4. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.